In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Evernote on Windows. Just open any browser and in the browser search for Evernote, and here you can see evernote.com. So you need to click here and it will take you to this page, and here you can see get Evernote free. So and here you can see download option over here. So we are going to click on download, and here it will show you bunch of options: desktop, mobile, web clipper, extension. You can also use Evernote as extension as well, but we want to install it in our Windows. So here you can see download for Mac and download for Windows. So we are going to click on download for Windows, and it will download Evernote exe file. And there you can see, so it is around 341 MB, so it will take some time. Right now I'll just fast forward the video. So here you can see download is complete. So when the download is complete, you just need to double click on the downloaded file. So it will show you something like this. So here you need to accept the terms in the license agreement, then click on next. And there you can see Evernote is installed over here, and we have the Evernote icon over here, and it will open automatically. So let me just log in using my Google account. So I'll just choose my Gmail, click on continue, and open Evernote. There you can see signing in, and it's done. I'm just going to click on continue. It's personal use. Let's just choose just random things. Continue free trial. There you go. So you can take notes over here, add tasks. So yeah, this is how we can install Evernote and use Evernote on Windows. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.